To remove the wireless LAN board, first remove the side cover and all graphics cards installed in the unit. Carefully snap off the antenna connectors from the board. Detach the Phillips number 1 screw, securing the board in place. Pull the board out of its socket on the motherboard. The wireless LAN board has a notch near the side edge that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle and press down. Replace the Phillips number 1 screw to secure the wireless LAN board to the motherboard. Reattach the antenna connectors to the board. The antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the board.